So, how far away are you from the goal now?
Actually, after all the money we made today, I think we're almost there.
Are you for real? You're doing this on purpose.
Okay, look, I had no idea you were walking by. I was trying to aim for the garbage, man.
You know, I was being nice earlier, but you've taken this too far, Blake.
I'm really sorry, Jordan. Can I offer you some freshly squeezed lemonade?
You know, I'm good on the lemonade, but I'm sure you'd like some.
Wait!
What the heck, Jordan?
Why would you do that, man?
Me? I mean, after all this stuff you've done today to me?
Jordan, what's going on?
Oh, what? We're just having some fun. Isn't that right, Blake?
All right, well, let's go. We gotta go see your brother. Come on.